Did you know that whenever you want to record something vertically, you can keep the camera horizontal to do it? This is a feature built right into the camera and it's extremely simple to do. And you don't need any accessories to do it, such as something like a vertical bracket or an L mount. I'll break it down into bite-sized steps so you can easily follow along. Let's go. Step 1. Open up the menu app on the camera. Step 2. Go to the shooting menu. This red menu here is called the shooting menu. Step 3. Push in and scroll all the way down to marker display. Step 4. Push into marker display and then turn marker display on. Step 5. Then scroll down to aspect marker and choose 9:16. Step 6. Exit the menu and notice these bars now visible on screen, because later in editing you'll need to zoom in your footage so it fits in a vertical format. Oh, and before I forget, step 7, if this video helped you and you like this style of tutorial, hit the like button and let me know. And if you enjoy my content, consider subscribing. So what's the main benefit of doing this compared to actually just rotating your camera vertically? The main benefit of this is saving time and money. When filming in this way, you're recording double the content in the same amount of time, because not only do you eliminate the need to get accessories to mount your camera vertically, but if you position your content correctly in frame, you also eliminate the need to film things twice. You can use your video for both vertical and horizontal content with minimal editing. And that one final question you're probably asking, aren't I sacrificing my juicy 4K quality if I'm zooming in post? Well, yeah, you are. Instead of being 4K, the videos will be approximately 1215 by 2160. But did you really just ask me that? Does your vertical content really need to be 4K at the cost of the camera handing you this feature on a silver platter? Well, look, I'm not gonna stop you if you really want to film vertically for those extra pixels. But if you actually need those pixels, then you know who you are, and you probably never asked that question in the first place. And you probably already have an L bracket at your disposal. But if you're just creating content like YouTube Shorts, I'd suggest just exporting down to 1920p. Remember, that's 1080 by 1920. Save space with the export, save time with the upload. I promise you, it will still look amazing. I mean, don't forget what you're filming with. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.